Hello everyone, welcome back to my Learn Easy Maths channel. Friends, how are you? Since a long gap, now once again I am before you and meeting you and discussing with my another new topics of today's video lesson. Today's the discussion of my lesson is related to the geometrical topics. It is Heron's formula. This topic is being selected from the 9th standard textbook. Heron's formula, this formula is based on to find the area of triangle. Any type of the triangle, maybe it is a scalene, it is a isosceles, or it is a right angle triangle. We can find the area using this formula. Okay, what is Heron? Heron is believed to lived in 60 to 75 BC in Alexandria. So therefore he was the first pioneer for this formula to derive and to propound it to the world. So it is named after him. The Heron's formula is based on the triangle. Consider a triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. Okay, as you know, a triangle has the three vertices, three sides and the three angles, and the measure of the each side it is given. AB is A measure, BC is B and AC is C. Triangle ABC, whose sides are AB, BC and AC respectively given in the terms of the measures A, B, C. Now you know that the formula related to the area of the triangle, we need to have the two important things. One is, first we have to find what is the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle. What is the perimeter of perimeter? Perimeter means it's sum of the all given sides of the triangle. Sum of all the sides of the triangle is called a perimeter. So what are the sides? A triangle has three sides, AB plus BC plus AC. Right. Now these sides has their measure. Then you just substitute perimeter of triangle AB plus BC plus AC is equal to, what is AB? AB is A, BC is B, AC is C. This is the perimeter of the triangle. After finding the perimeter, we need to find the semi-perimeter. Semi means what? Half. It is the division by 2. So semi-perimeter, that is S is equal to P by 2, which is equal to what? This A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C divided by 2. Here onwards, whenever we write and substitute in the formula, we write S is equal to half of the perimeter of the triangle. That we can say that it is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Okay. This is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Now, how do we write the formula? Let's come to the part of the formula. The Heron's formula states that area of triangle given, consider it is an ABC, is equal to square root of semi-perimeter, that is S, into difference between the semi-perimeter minus first side, difference between semi-perimeter and second side, and semi-perimeter into third side. This is known as the Heron's formula. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This we can find the area of triangle. Maybe any triangle it is, any type of the triangle, we can find the area. Okay. This is the most important thing. My 9th standard students, please attention and just have a more idea on this one. I have nothing to say anything more for you. Just I want the concept. Any of the triangle you first take the measures and you find the perimeter, divide with 2, that you get the semi-perimeter S. Then you make the difference. First you write S, then make the difference of all the 3 measures of the sides of the triangle. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You get this formula. Let's work on one problem, this one. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay. ABC is an equilateral triangle whose each side is 60 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. See, there is another formula to find the area of the triangle, that is particularly the equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 into a square. That also I will show and I'll make a tally after this problem. Now here, this problem to be solved by using the Heron's formula. That is the most important thing. How shall we proceed now? First, A is equal to 60, B is equal to 60 and C is equal to 60. Why? Because it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Each angle corresponds to 60 degree. Now you take the perimeter. P is equal to A plus B plus C, that is 60 plus 60 plus 60 divided by 2. 180 by 2. 2 ones are 2 90s are. So here we are finding S is 60 plus 60, 60 by 2. So semi-perimeter, perimeter is 180 and semi-perimeter is 180 by 2, it is a 90. Now we have to substitute this in our Heron's formula. See, look here. Area of triangle, which triangle? Equilateral triangle, is equal to square root of semi-perimeter into difference, semi-perimeter and first measure, semi-perimeter into second measure and semi-perimeter into third measure. That is difference of. Now what is S? S is 90 because just we have obtained the value semi-perimeter 90, 180 divided by 2. S minus A, 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60 and again 90 minus 60. In this case, particularly for equilateral triangle, we get this very common values. Now 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. Yes. The most important thing, we get the values under root, that is the square root. Our main focus is to just convert them into a perfect square. Once again I repeat it, whenever we solve the problem, Heron's formula using this one, we get the values under root and our focus should be more on to convert them and get them into a perfect square. Here see, I have 3 30s. 30 into 30 is a perfect square, 30 square, isn't it? So therefore, one more 30 I want to just convert. So 90 can be written as 3 into 30 into 30 into 30 into 30. 1, 2, 3 and 90 is converted into another 3 into 30. So it is a square root. What I do here, 3 into, this is paired, 30 into 30 is 30 square. This is also paired, 30 into 30, another 30 square. Square root of 3 into 30 square, the root get cancelled for this one. This is 30 square will be 30 and this 30 square will be 30 and this is just a root 3. 30 30s are, it is 900 root 3 is the 900 root 3 is the area of an equilateral triangle whose each measure corresponds to 60 centimeter. So this is the area. Okay, square centimeter. This is the way how we just found the area of the triangle whose measures are like this. Now there is an important formula. area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, that is a square. Remember, once again I remind to you all your kind notice and knowledge, the area equilateral triangle has equal measures, all sides are equal and all angles are equal, that is each angle corresponds to 60 degree. Now here root 3 by 4 into what is the measure of each side? It is 60 into 60, right? See that one, 4 ones are 4, 4 15s are root 3 by 4 formula it is. Remember this, 9th standard students, I wanted to remember this also. The area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. What is a? That is the side of a triangle. Then root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60. 4 ones are 4 15s are. Root 3 into multiplies 15 into 60. Multiply, what do you get? 15 into 60. It is equal to 900 root 3 again square centimeter. So by this formula also we got the area of equilateral triangle, and this formula also we got the area of equilateral triangle. So this is my video after a long period of time. Just I am before you. Please my 9th standard students, even 10th standard students also, you just have focus and attention on this. It will help you in solving particularly solving the surface areas of cone and the lateral surface area of cone and the volume of cone and cylinders. You may come across this kind of problems, so please you also pay an attention. With this one I am just going to end up my video, and I'll take a leave with a hope that you may subscribe my channel. I have seen that the subscriptions have come to a standstill and halt. I don't understand what is the problem with you. Please do subscribe my channel and share among the friends and start watching it. Particularly this maths channel will definitely enrich you and boost your knowledge. With this one I am going to end up my video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.